So let us learn about vaccine passports. Vaccine passports, what are they and who might need one? Generally, people are using the term to mean an electronic record of vaccination, possibly in the form of QR code that is easily accessible through a smartphone or possibly stored on the device, though it could also be printed out. At its simplest, documentation is something like the physical card created by Center of Disease Control and Prevention and usually given to people when they receive their first COVID 19 shot in the United States or the World Health Organization yellow card, used for decades by travelers to show inoculation against diseases like yellow fever. But those who are paper filled out by hand and fairly vulnerable to forgery. The tool might be to address several variables. It is unclear how long inoculation lasts. There can be bad batches, and the emergence of new variants of the virus are likely to require new vaccines. So, in the long run, an electronic record might need to show which specific vaccine a person received from which batch and when. More than a dozen competing versions are already being developed and promoted. How would it be used? In the short run, the clearest application may be international travel, and the reason is evident at any major airport. Passenger volume is at fraction of pre-pandemic levels. Yet there are enormous lines at airlines counters and passport control. Many countries already require proof of recent negative coronavirus test for entry. So far, the documentation has existed almost entirely on paper or on a passenger phone and must be confirmed by human eyes at the airport. So, checking in for flight online or even an electronic kiosk in the terminal is out. As travel restriction ease, volume will increase and many nations are expected to begin requiring proof of vaccination to enter or just to skip the quarantine requirement. More passengers and more documentation requirements will be making processing even more unwieldy. No major country has publicly floated vaccine verification for domestic travel, but some governments and businesses already require proof of negative coronavirus test for entry to certain crowded locations, and a few have started demanding proof of vaccination, increasing the desire for an electronic alternative. Who is using it? In February, Israel government began issuing it digital green pass or physical certificate to people who had been vaccinated, and is required to enter places like hotels and theaters. In the past, hundreds and more entities around the world, airlines, governments, drug store chains, and others began using private controlled digital system to verify health credentials. Most are using the systems, including one called Common Pass and the International Air Transport Association own system Travel Pass on a trial basis to verify negative coronavirus tests. What are the obstacles and objections? Many of the objections that have been raised are about privacy, but people developing the systems say those can be addressed. Common Pass and its app, for example, do not hold any of the user's health records, said Paul Mayer, CEO of Common Project Foundation. If a participating airline needs to know whether a passenger has had COVID test or inoculation and a participatory pharmacy has the information, Common Pass can communicate with both and return a simple yes or no answer without transmitting any specific data. Thank you.